In this video, I'm going to walk you through a detailed comparison between Adalo and FlutterFlow to help you decide which no-code app builder is the right fit for your next project. Let's dive right in. I'll start by exploring Adalo. When I land on the Adalo homepage, it's clear they position themselves as the go-to builder for every platform, offering a truly no-code experience. As I scroll through their site, I see how they emphasize building native iOS, Android, and web apps from a single project. I can see their drag-and-drop interface in action, where I'm able to visually map out user journeys. I'm looking at their Ada AI builder, which helps generate app structures from simple descriptions. Adalo makes it easy to manage data with a built-in Postgres database, and I can see how they simplify the publishing process to the App Store and Google Play. They even offer a spreadsheet to app feature, allowing me to turn Google Sheets or Airtable data into a functioning mobile interface almost instantly. Everything here feels very visual and approachable for someone who doesn't want to touch a single line of code. Now, let's switch gears and look at FlutterFlow. Right away, the vibe is different. It's more technical and developer-focused. As I look at the FlutterFlow interface, I see a much more granular level of control. I'm navigating through theme settings, primary colors, and a complex schema editor for Firebase. Here, I can define data types like integers, strings, and booleans with precision. Unlike Adalo's purely visual approach, FlutterFlow allows me to jump into a Custom Functions tab where I can actually write or edit Dart code. I see the Visual Action Flow Editor, which looks like a sophisticated flowchart for logic, but it's definitely more complex than Adalo's simple linking. FlutterFlow is clearly built for those who want high-performance apps with custom widgets and deep integration with Google's Flutter framework. Now, let's look at how they stack up directly against each other. When I compare their report categories, Adalo is classified as a visual builder, while FlutterFlow is a developer tool. This is a crucial distinction. For coding requirements, Adalo requires none, making it perfect for non-technical users. FlutterFlow, on the other hand, is best if you have some knowledge of Dart or Flutter. In terms of databases, Adalo includes an internal one on every plan, whereas FlutterFlow typically requires you to set up an external backend like Firebase or Supabase. When it comes to the learning curve, I can see that Adalo takes hours or days to master, while FlutterFlow can take over 200 hours to truly become proficient. Looking at the pricing, Adalo offers a flat rate starting around $36 a month, while FlutterFlow's costs can scale up significantly when you factor in seat prices and backend hosting fees. A major win for FlutterFlow, however, is code export. I can export the entire Flutter project to continue in VS Code, whereas with Adalo, I'm generally locked into their ecosystem. So, which one is right for me? I would choose Adalo if I want my app on the store quickly, if I don't have a developer, and if I prefer a simple, predictable monthly fee. It's the better choice for building a business MVP or a community marketplace without the headache of backend management. I would choose FlutterFlow if I already know a bit of code, if I need high-performance 60 FPS animations, or if I'm an agency that needs to export code for long-term maintenance. My final verdict? If you are an entrepreneur looking to validate an idea fast with a beautiful, functional app, Adalo is the winner for its sheer ease of use and all-in-one setup. But if you are building a high-scale, professional-grade application where you need total control over every pixel and every line of logic, FlutterFlow is the powerhouse you need. Both are incredible tools, but they serve very different masters. Pick the one that matches your technical comfort level and your project's long-term scale. And that's it, easy and simple. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.